Hi, Adobe Agent, hi Photography, and today in this video I'm going to do an unboxing and a disk format for the MacBook Pro. So first of all we must have the Swiss Army knife, because without that we can't do anything. Next of all we have the expansion hard drive from Seagate. It's 2 terabytes. And what happens with these are you must format them first before you can use them on the Macs. So to break the seal here, and then let's get it open. Out it comes. Just sniff test. It comes with the instructions. Try and make this as entertaining as I can for you, because it's only unboxing, isn't it? Let's just put that next to here so we can see what we're doing. Expansion, and then this is nice. So I can get into it. Well, it comes away quite nicely. I have this, the cable, which you must open. Cable, and then the drive itself, nicely wrapped. And then we just take this out. Okay, so that is our nice new Seagate drive. So I think, as riveting as that was, let's get this drive into the computer. Let's plug it in here, and so we can see it. I think there's a drive here. Let's just move this a little bit. And then, can we get it in there? Oh, super. So we're going to go onto the computer now. Onto the computer. Yeah, right. Why is this not working? Oh, welcome tablet. Come on, look. Turn it on this way. Okay. So now the problem is, if I open this up, it will read it, but you cannot put anything onto it. See, there's a. So we must format it to actually be able to use it. We can read on it, but we can't do it. So it's fine. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to Finder, go into Preferences, and make sure these 2 boxes here are ticked. Okay, then we're going to go over here, we're going to go into disk utility, enter, and we're going to go onto here, and then we're going to go erase, and here we can then call it whatever we want. So I'm going to call this scratch. Almost scratch. SCRT. Mirror. Nope. Scratch. This scratch number. Scratch 1. So I don't know how to spell mirror. How bad is that? Right. And in here, this is here. Mac Extended Case Sensitive Journal. That's what I normally put my hard drives in, and then just press erase. And depending on how long it takes to do, I might leave this and then come back to it, and then just drag a file over so you can see it. But actually, it was done. Wow, that was quick. So press done, and now we should be able to open this at scratch 1. It's here, and now we can push this over, and it works. We can now look at this. It's great. Tip top. There we go. Lovely. So that. Well, I think I'm going to leave that there now. So that's it. That was nice and quick and easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please like and subscribe. I think that's the first time I've asked anyone to subscribe. Perhaps I should have done that first. Never mind. Anyway, till next time, I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.